Were you detained by ICE? These words can help you. Today we're talking about something serious but extremely important. What to do if immigration agents stop or detain you. In a moment like that, fear can cause people to speak too much, sign papers they don't understand, or answer questions that may later harm their case. That's why knowing your rights and knowing what to say can make a real difference. This video is not legal advice, but it is basic information that may help you stay calm and protect yourself. When ICE detains someone, they often begin asking questions right away. Your name, where you're from, your immigration status, who you live with, how long you've been in the country. Many people assume they must answer everything, but that is not true. There are 3 key words or phrases that can help you set boundaries and avoid making the situation worse. The first is identity only. This means you are only providing basic identifying information such as your name.
You don't have to explain where you were born, how you entered the country, or details about your status. Keeping your answers minimal matters because anything extra can later be used against you. Saying identity only is a calm way to limit what you share. The second phrase is lawyer now. This is one of the most important. If ICE detains you, you have the right to ask for an attorney before answering questions or signing anything. Immigration processes can be complex, and requesting legal help immediately can protect you. You don't need to argue or panic. Just firmly repeat, lawyer now. You should not face that situation alone. The third phrase is, I do not consent. This is especially important if an agent wants to search your belongings or enter your home without a valid warrant. Authorities sometimes try to get verbal permission to enter. If you say yes out of fear, that counts as consent. That's why it's critical to clearly respond. I do not consent. It may not stop everything instantly, but it can help protect your rights. Remember, these phrases do not guarantee that ICE will not detain you, but they can help you avoid serious mistakes. In these moments, the best approach is to stay calm. Do not physically resist. Do not sign anything you do not understand, and ask for legal support as soon as possible. If you or someone you know lives with this concern, it's wise to have a plan. Save the number of an immigration lawyer. Talk with your family, and know what steps to take in an emergency. Being informed is a form of protection. Share this with someone who may need it, because these 3 simple phrases can matter in a critical moment. Identity only. Lawyer now. I do not consent. The 4th phrase is, am I free to go? This is one of the most important questions you can ask. Sometimes ICE or law enforcement may stop someone without officially placing them under arrest. Calmly asking, am I free to go, helps clarify whether you are being detained or whether you can leave. If they say yes, you should walk away calmly. If they say no, then you know you are being detained, and you should stop answering questions and request a lawyer. The 5th phrase is, I choose to remain silent. Many people don't realize that you have the right not to answer questions beyond basic identification. You do not have to explain your immigration history, where you were born, or what documents you have. Saying, I choose to remain silent, is a respectful and clear way to protect yourself from accidentally giving information that could be misunderstood or used against you later. The 6th phrase is, I will not sign anything. This is critical. In detention situations, people are sometimes pressured to sign forms quickly without fully understanding what they mean. Some documents could involve agreeing to removal or giving up the chance to speak to a judge. You can calmly say, I will not sign anything without my lawyer. Never sign papers under pressure if you do not understand them. So now we have 6 key phrases that can help protect your rights. Identity only. Lawyer now. I do not consent. Am I free to go? I choose to remain silent. I will not sign anything. Remember, the goal is not to argue or resist. The goal is to stay calm, speak respectfully, and protect your legal rights. If you or your family are worried about these situations, the best step is to create a safety plan and speak with an immigration attorney ahead of time. Knowledge is power, and being prepared can make a difference when emotions are high. Share this information with someone who may need it, because the right words at the right moment can help protect your future.